This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn how to use COUNTIF function in Excel. So here you can see that we have a table having two different columns. One is fruits and the other one is quantity. So we are going to apply the formula COUNTIF in this very table. So how it is used, let's see. First we will put an equal to sign and we'll type the name of the function, which is COUNTIF. And here you can see it defines the COUNTIF function that it counts the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. So first we will need to know what is the range of the cells we are going to use over here. So first we'll put an opening parenthesis, and you can see that the option which is highlighted over here is range. So the range I'm going to use over here, I'm going to give over here is from cell B5 till cell B12. So it's a formatted table, so it can easily select all the cells this way. In the table 3 is the name of the table which is given to this table, and the fruits is the name of the column. So I'll put a comma and I will put a quotation mark and we'll type apple, which is the name of the fruit. So we're gonna see how many entries are there for the fruits, for the fruit apple. So we'll press an enter key and we'll can see that there are two entries having the fruit apple. So you can also select right from over here. We can use the text filter and we'll see that if it has this fruits, like now we are going to use the custom auto filter and show rows where fruits begins with the letter A. So I'll put A and I'll see there are two different values are there for apples. One is 55 and the other one is 67. So the other way you can use, if you want to see that how many oranges are there, you can type oranges and you'll see how many entries are there. There are one entry, and you can see, you can verify it from the text filter. Go to the begins with and type O, because oranges start with O. So we'll see how many entries are there. Only one entry in the quantity is 32. So it means that the function is giving us the correct value. And if we want to see that how many peaches are there, then we can type peaches instead of oranges. Peaches. And you can see there are 3 entries are there. So we can double check it from the text filter option and we'll see that how many, since the peaches is always start with the letter P, so we'll see that how many entries are there. So there are 3 entries. Likewise, if you want to see the last entry of the fruit, which is mangoes, so we will type mangoes instead of peaches, and we will see that how many entries are there. There are total 2 entries. You can verify it from the text filters as well. Go to the text filter and select the begins with option and type M. Since mango starts with M, letter M, so we'll select M and see that there are 2 different values. So viewers, this is how we can see that how many entries are there by giving the name of the certain entry, the alphabetic name of the entry. Like we have searched how many entries are there for apples, for oranges, for peaches, and for mangoes. Likewise, we can apply the same formula in this quantity column. Let's see how it is done. First we will type the column we are going to use over here is this C column. So the other way is, since it's a formatted table, so whenever I select it, so it always gives us like the name of the table and the name of the column. The other way is you can type it manually by putting the first cell reference, which is C5, and we'll put a colon, and we'll type the last cell reference, which is C12. So we can type C12 and can put a comma. Now we are going to see that the value which is, we want to see that how many values are there which are greater than the value 45. So we'll type over here, we'll put double quotation marks, and we'll put a greater than sign, and we'll type 45 and then close the parenthesis. So dear viewers, you can see there are total 4 values which are greater than 45 from the range C5 till C12. So we can double check it with the help of the text filter, number filters option. Since there are all the values which are mentioned in the quantity columns are numbers, so the option we can see over here is the number filters, not the text filter. But here in this column for fruits, we can see the text filters because it contains all the text. So dear viewers, we will verify that how many values are there which are greater than 45. So we'll select the number filter option and select the greater than option, and we'll type 45, and let's see that how many values are there. So there are total 4 values. Now we are gonna see that how many values which are not equal to the value 45. So how it is done, let's see. We will first select the range. So the range, you can see that already selected over here, and now we will type, we'll put an not equal to sign like this, and we'll select the and put an ampersand sign which is used for the cell reference, and now we're going to put the cell reference against which we are going to check that which is not equal to the value, and we're going to check that how many values are there which are not equal to the value 45. So 45 is in the cell C7, so we'll type C7 and I'll press the enter key. So you can see that there are total 7 values. Now we're going to double check it from the number filters option. Go to the number filter option and let's see, does not equal. So we will type, this is the custom auto filter. You can see that it shows rows where quantity does not equal to 45. So the COUNTIF functions has provided us 7 values are there. So now we are going to check it from the custom auto filter. So dear viewers, we can see there are total 7 values. So that's all, and thanks for watching.